Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews. I'm also on Ravelry at MadXStitcher for those of you who can access Ravelry at this time, where I share all of my knitting and crochet projects. It is the end of August, which can only mean one thing. It's subscription box time. Time to open box 15. I received the email just under a week ago now. So let's see what we've got, shall we? Again, cue lots of rustling. And it's this really beautiful blue box. Again, the rose gold elements. And we've got like, what are these, starfish all over the box. All the way around. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Making waves. Perfect for the summer, of course. It's got this really lovely watery theme to it, which is lovely. Again, match in tissue paper. So this time we've got some blue tissue paper. I always find this really difficult to do with one hand. Okay, so making waves. Oh, these are pretty. They're like variegated yarns. So let's have a look at what we've got. So we have two King Cole. I think these are the new ones. King Cole Bramble DK. This one is colourway Gorse. Gorse. So we've got two balls of that, and they're both the same colour, same dye lot. They are 100 grams, 100% premium acrylic. And again, it's DK, and it uses a 4mm knitting needle or hook size. I think they're really nice. It's like a stone wash effect. So it's got this variegated blue and green colours and the grey, but it's kind of mottled, so it's got like a cream or grey running throughout, which is really nice. So we're going to see what else is in the box. So we've got those lovely two balls of yarn. I think is this a bag, or is it, oh, it's a hook roll. So you can put all your hooks in there, fold that over, roll it all up, and then it's got a really strong tie. So you can tie it around afterwards. And again, it's following through with this starfish print. And the pockets are nice and big, so you could even use this if you've got kids. Or if you've got children, you could put colouring pencils or pens in there as well. So it's multi-purpose. So I'm going to roll that up in a minute and see how that looks. We've got our matching crochet hook, 3.5 this time. And it's got like pinky, minty colours in there with the white. We've got a little ice cream cone. Check that out, a little ice cream cone. Stitch marker. Oh, and it's not just an ice cream cone though. The ice cream is actually a ball of yarn, and there's a crochet hook sticking out of it. That's really cute. Perfect for beach rubber. Oh, we've got another sew on patch. Stay chilled. Again, you've got the ice cream symbol, and again you've got crochet hook in the top and 3 little yarn balls. I think that's really sweet. It's quite a large one as well. I mean, my hands aren't massive, but you see that's quite a large patch. I'll have to find somewhere to put that. Again, you've got your passcode and your abbreviations, your I call it a cheat sheet with all of your stitch terms and hook conversion. And we've got a book. This is really lovely cowl on the front using the arm. So we have So this is the Stay Chilled box. So yes, I was correct. The yarn is the brand new Bramble range from King Cole. So we've got, again, list of everything that comes in the box and the projects in your booklet. Oh, the mobile looks really cute. Let's have a look. So we've got Tea and Chat with Catherine Pope, one of the designers for this month's box. Really like the lemon blanket. That's really sweet. So this is the cow. It's really nice loose chain pattern. I reckon that would work up really quickly actually. Again, there's all the details for what is in the box this month. There's a little bit about the new yarn, the Brambles yarn by King Cole, and what the designers for this month thought about the yarn as well. That is a really lovely cardigan. Really lovely cardigan. I may have to look that one up. Oh, this is really sweet. This is like a little wall hanging. So you make little butterflies and then you can string them all together and hang them from a piece of driftwood or something else to create a little mobile or hanging. They're really cute. There's some little tips on how to take your crochet on holiday with you, or if you're going away for a weekend or something. There's a few tips here on how to make sure that you're able to make the most out of it. And the last project in here is a Bramba romper. It's a little children's romper. And again, you can really see the variegation in the yarn there with the stripes. They're working really nicely. And there's a bonus pattern as well, so you can make a little vest to go with it. That's really cute. And as always, towards the back of the booklet, we've got a page that's just got people's projects that they've posted pictures of. And just check out that Stay Home, Stay Crafty bundle picture at the bottom there. What a lovely, lovely picture that is. These are all amazing projects that everybody should be really, really proud of what they've managed to achieve from the last 14 boxes. I think I've got to up my game. So the next box is box 16 and we get a preview picture of it every month. Yeah, I think this is the next box. So it's got like a really autumnal feel with it, so with leaves on the front there to represent the leaves falling in the autumn months. And that is our booklet for this month. I think it's a really pretty box actually. Let's get this wrap. I'm going to roll it like that. So it would roll up really nicely. But to get 200 grams yarn, they're really nice balls. They're really soft. For acrylic yarn, it's really nice and soft. And I've worked with King Cole before, so I know it's a really nice brand to work with too. Going to pop everything back in there. Now I can't get it all back in the box. I'm just going to lift this up one more time for you. And that is box 15. So as before, you can subscribe to this on a 3-month, 6-month and 12-month. You can either pay monthly or pay all in one go. I've chosen the pay monthly option just because it spreads out the cost a little bit and I can cancel that anytime I like as well. So if I find that I don't have the funds, then I can just stop when I like. I'll put all the details down below again as I do every month for you, so you can go and grab your own if you'd like to. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching this little reveal video, and maybe you'll be able to get your hands on one of these yourself too. Yeah, I'm really enjoying the Crochet Society. I don't have the time at the moment to actually work on any mini projects, but when I feel the need to crochet or try something different, and I would definitely be heading to one of these boxes to find a project to work on. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.